So
All right, check it out, guys.
Oh, looks good. Wow.
All right, guys, we're gonna be doing a quick refurbish on this 10-year-old Vitamix. Works perfect, but we're gonna go ahead and paint it a nice gold color. So it's gonna be like a black and gold with some nice clear coat. Maybe I'll even throw some silver mini flake in it to make it pop. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this apart, sand it down, whack it with some gold base coat that we have some left over here, and throw 2 coats of clear on it. Show you how it looks. All right, let's take a look at the finished product, guys. Come in. How do you like the flake? Looks pretty cool, right? So as you see, we masked up the rear sticker here. We kept the black on the bottom. And this is the finished product. Pretty cool, right? So now we're gonna put this rubber piece on here. Right, that's pretty much it. And here we go, the overall revitalized Vitamix. So let's go see what the wife has to say. Oh, by the way, this is what the clear coat looks like once it's dried up with the mini flake in it. If you use the Quik Kup System here, that's available at Zoolaa.com. 25 pack for like 40 bucks, give or take. Not too bad. It comes with plugs here so you can save base coat if you're spraying base coat. So this is what it looks like. We're using the Micro Sequence Flake by X Finishes, which we have in the product here. This is a BMW base coat, and we just added a little bit of flake to give it some pizzazz in the kitchen. So let's go see what the wife thinks.
My smoothie is gonna look better in there now.
Your smoothies are gonna look better.
It looks like brand new again now.
Yeah. My smoothies are gonna look
at my
better.
Vitamix that doesn't sell in the store.
Customized, right?
Customized, yeah.
And you could do anything.
Yeah.
I could just like take pictures.
Well,
of
you
my
picked the
smoothie.
color, so
I know, I like the color.
But you did?
came out pretty good, eh?
It's like the first time I didn't pick the color, which is
I would have picked like a candy green or red or
No,
something.
it's
but
mid-century Vitamix.
looks good, right?
It looks good.
All right.
It's like a sparkly brown. Sandy, come here.
So you're happy with it?
Yes, I'm very happy. Thank you.
Yep. Cool. All right, guys. See you later.
Sandy, you like the color?